Hi, I'm Rohan from Australia, and at Biji-biji, I'm an electronics and systems engineer, and I'm also the IT guy. So what it means is I turn things off and on, and I put LEDs on things. And this is one of our latest projects. It's one of our newest bicycle generators, and I'm putting LEDs on it. So, yeah, this is what I do. I joined Biji-biji 2 years ago as part of a volunteering program run by the Malaysian government to get a bunch of professionals over to work on the project for 4 months. I was working with Biji-biji to develop solar-powered lights and appliances for a village out in the jungle. So before this, I used to work at IT, just sitting behind a desk, but here I actually get to make things. I suppose our biggest challenge is making all of our installations kid-proof, because a lot of our things, when they're out in the public, the kids just go nuts and they break everything. In the future, I hope Biji-biji is able to inspire people to go about and be more knowledgeable about sustainability issues, about being able to make things for themselves rather than just being mindless consumers. Shami. Hello, Shami. Let's go? Let's go. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, I'm bringing the other guys from the roof down as well. Thank you, Shami.